Welcome back to this advanced explainer. Today we are taking a profoundly complex journey into the mathematical unification of the universe. Have you ever actually wondered how the invisible forces all around us were first deciphered? Not just observed, but mathematically decoded to the point where they literally reshaped human civilization? Well, we are about to dig into the foundational blueprint of reality itself.
But right off the bat, I'm going to hit you with a controversial yet absolutely true statement. Albert Einstein did not invent modern physics. I know, Einstein is a household name, right? But the radical transformation of our understanding of space, time, and energy, that actually began with a quiet 19th century Scottish physicist named James Clerk Maxwell. Without his equations, relativity and quantum mechanics simply would not exist.
Just a quick heads up before we really get into the weeds. This is an advanced explainer. If you want a refresher on the basics, we actually posted a simpler version of this topic a few days back, so definitely check that out. Also, we'll be touching on medical imaging later on, so standard disclaimer. Our discussion here is strictly scientific, not medical advice. All right, let's do this.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll start with the true father of physics, move on to unifying the unseen forces, and then break down the mathematical blueprint. After that, we'll look at reshaping human civilization, the breakdown of classical mechanics, and finally, a legacy beyond time.
Okay, part 1. The true father of physics, the spectacular five.
Born in 1831, James Clerk Maxwell had this incredible mind that saw profound patterns where everyone else just saw chaos. He managed to distill the sheer complexity of electromagnetism into 5 mind-bending realities. First, light isn't just a beam, it's a paired, oscillating electromagnetic field. Second, if you cut a magnet in half, you just get smaller magnets. Magnetic monopoles just do not exist. Third, these waves, they don't need a physical medium like water or air. They can propagate endlessly through a pure vacuum. Fourth, a changing electric field creates a magnetic one, and vice versa. And fifth, because of all this, empty space itself can literally be manipulated to carry data. Spectacular, right?
And just look at how fast this all developed. In 1831, Michael Faraday had the intuition. He observed electromagnetic induction but just didn't have the math to prove it. Fast forward to 1864, and Maxwell provides that genius mathematical unification. Then, in 1887, Heinrich Hertz creates the very first physical spark of these waves in a lab. And boom, by 1901, Guglielmo Marconi is sending a wireless signal straight across the Atlantic Ocean. In a single lifetime, we went from hunches to connecting the entire world.
Which brings us to Section 2, Unifying the Unseen Forces, Beyond Faraday's Intuition.
So to really appreciate the depth of Maxwell's accomplishment, you have to look at how empty space reacts to raw electrical forces. And the crucial starting point here is grasping vacuum permittivity. This constant, epsilon naught, it isn't just some abstract number on a chalkboard. It dictates exactly how many electric field lines come out of a charge of a specific magnitude. It is the literal, measurable strength of electricity in the absolute vacuum of space.
Now, Ampere's law already stated that moving electrical charges, currents, generate magnetic fields. But Maxwell comes along and adds this radical correction called displacement current. He realized that a changing electric field across empty space also produces a magnetic field. This was the missing link, guys. This single realization changed our understanding of the universe forever.
Let's dive into exactly how he did it in Section 3, the mathematical blueprint, 4 equations to rule reality.
With the forces now theoretically unified, Maxwell drew up this step-by-step mathematical blueprint. We're talking about 4 partial differential equations that took physical lines of force and turned them into undeniable laws of nature. They dictate this perpetual, beautiful cycle. A changing magnetic field induces an electric field, which then induces a magnetic field, sustaining itself indefinitely. Because they continually feed off one another, they don't fade away. They push forward, forming a transverse wave that ripples through the absolute nothingness of space.
And here is where it gets crazy. When he calculated the velocity of this cycle, using those constants of permittivity and permeability, the numbers stared back at him and revealed exactly the speed of light, roughly 300 million meters per second. This was the earth-shattering aha moment. Light wasn't just a particle or a vibration in some mysterious ether. Light itself was an electromagnetic wave.
Moving right along to Section 4, Reshaping Human Civilization, from Equations to Real Life.
Once the scientific community understood that visible light was just one tiny sliver of an infinite electromagnetic spectrum, the race to harness it was on. Radio waves gave us global broadcasts and, eventually, the Wi-Fi you use every day. Microwaves gave us radar so we could see beyond the horizon. X-rays, governed by the exact same equations, allowed us to penetrate human tissue for MRIs and medical imaging. All of this derived from the exact same mathematical laws.
Oh, and as if that wasn't enough, Maxwell's boundless genius didn't stop at electromagnetism. He gave us the kinetic theory of gases. He created the world's very first permanent color photograph in 1861 using red, green, and blue filters. And get this, he proved mathematically that Saturn's rings couldn't be solid, but were millions of tiny orbiting particles. And he proved that over a century before the Voyager spacecraft actually confirmed it. Honestly, it is staggering to consider that the entire digital revolution relies purely on his mathematical manipulation of empty space. Every single time you stream a video, send a text to a friend, or jump on a video call, your devices are using Maxwell's equations. They're encoding complex digital data into invisible waves that pass right through the walls of your house.
Section 5. The Breakdown of Classical Mechanics, a Crisis in Physics. You know, scientific discoveries often trigger unintended problems, and Maxwell's equations inadvertently caused an unprecedented crisis in the world of physics. See, Newton's universe relied heavily on relative speeds. In classical mechanics, if you walk on a moving train, your speed is added to the train speed. But Maxwell's mathematics proved the speed of light is an absolute constant for every observer. His equations didn't allow for an underlying physical medium, or ether. They flat out stated that electromagnetic waves move at a constant 300 million meters per second, regardless of how fast you, the observer, are moving.
This mathematical contradiction completely broke classical mechanics. It actually forced the invention of relativity just to make reality make sense again. Because think about it. If the speed of light cannot change, then distance and time, the very fabric of reality, must warp and shrink to keep that speed constant. This was the exact mind-blowing realization that led Albert Einstein to formulate his theory of special relativity in 1905.
And finally, Section 6. A Legacy Beyond Time, From Quantum to the Cosmos.
Maxwell's profound understanding of the unseen formed a legacy stretching beyond time itself. His equations didn't just force a massive rewrite of classical physics, they actively laid the groundwork for the incredibly strange world of quantum mechanics. His framing of light paved the way for Max Planck and Einstein to realize that energy is actually emitted in finite amounts, or quanta, and that ultimately evolved into quantum electrodynamics, the rules governing how light and matter interact at the absolute most microscopic levels of existence. And on the macroscopic scale, today, as we beam data across the vast emptiness of the solar system, we are using the exact mathematical laws he derived back in the 19th century in a quiet Scottish study. Whether it's the Voyager probes drifting out in interstellar space or rovers sending high-def images from the surface of Mars, every single bit of that data travels across millions of miles of vacuum on the back of Maxwell's transverse waves.
So, bringing this explainer full circle, Einstein himself freely confessed that his monumental achievements were built entirely on Maxwell's foundations. In fact, when someone asked Einstein if he stood on the shoulders of Isaac Newton, he famously corrected the record. Maxwell showed humanity that reality isn't just what we can see or touch, it's the intricate mathematical poetry vibrating in the unseen space all around us.
So I'm going to leave you with this final provocative thought. As we master the quantum realm, might these 4 equations one day actually allow us to communicate across time itself? As physicists continue to probe gravitational waves and the very fabric of space-time, the classical rules of electromagnetism are increasingly merging with the quantum world. The invisible tapestry James Clerk Maxwell first mapped out? Yeah, it is far from finished. Thank you so much for joining me on this profound journey into the mathematics of the universe. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I will see you in the next explainer.